Hi everyone. So when you're driving, you don't want distractions. You want to be hands-free if you're making calls, although you should probably limit those as well. But text messages, they're a bit of a problem to respond to when you're driving. And it would be better if someone called you if they needed to get hold of you. Maybe they can wait. But did you know when you've got the focus mode, the driving focus mode set on your iPhone, you can have it automatically send responses. And on mine, it tells people I'm driving right now. If you do need to get hold of me, then please call. Now, it knows when I get in the car that I'm in the car because it connects Bluetooth to the car, or you can use CarPlay, and it will automatically know that you're in driving mode, and you can set that up. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. You can do it manually if you like, but I've got mine set to automatically detect it. The other thing that's useful for is it knows when you stop the car, switch off, and it disconnects the Bluetooth, and it makes a note of where that is in your Apple Maps, so you know where you parked the car. And I've got another video for that, and you can see that I've got a description for it in the link below. So let's just take a look here at how to set this up on the phone. So to get into focus mode, you can swipe down from the top right. You've got focus there, tap on it, and you'll see down here it's got driving. Tap on the three dots and I can then go into settings. Now I can also do this just by going into my settings on the phone. So here I am in settings, and you'll see there's focus, and I can tap on that, and again there's driving. It's in a different order here, but it takes me to the same place. So if I go into driving, you can see here that it's got here auto reply all contacts. So how does it know when you're connected? Well, if you go down to the bottom here where it says while driving, you tap on that, it's set to automatically. I just chose that. It kind of detects it based on the motion of the car. I've got it usually set to when connected to car Bluetooth, so it connects to my car system, or you can have it manually, or you can activate it with CarPlay. I'm going to leave it when connected to car Bluetooth. So if I go back, you'll see here it's got auto reply, and I've got it set to all contacts. You can have no one, so that's no replying, recent contacts, favorites, or all contacts. I'm going to leave it on all contacts. Maybe I want it on favorites, they're the only ones I want to have a reply there. That's my two options that I usually go for. The auto reply message, and you can just type this in. I'm driving, so can't send text messages. Please call if you need to get hold of me. I could potentially add to that I'll call you as soon as I can once I have stopped driving. So that's all you have to do. As I said, I've got it set to all contacts. I go back here, and that's all I need to do. It's really that simple. It's great. It saves distractions. You trying to think about texting back. If someone does need to get hold of you, they now know that they could just call you if it's important enough to do so. You may not want people to call you at all, or you may want something else as well. Now, interestingly, this has got the auto reply here on the driving focus, but it's not on the other ones. So it'd be really quite useful on the do not disturb. Apple, are you listening? To put it in there as well, so you can do this for others as well. Thanks for watching. If you do like this, please do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget, I've got another video in the description on how to use this for parking, so you know where you've parked your car. Take care.